welcome back to Sav's Glam Beauty. You guys, today is another unboxing video. I'm super happy about this one. Again, okay, like I'm happy for everything. So some of my boxes here is already open. I've opened it because I'm super nosy. I'm just nosy, okay? So let me switch the camera around so you can have a clear view of my amazing product that I got from Amazon and Bramble, okay? So hold on, let me turn the camera a little bit just so you can have a clear idea on the boxes that we have here, okay? So these are the boxes, and there's so much more right on the floor, but I've already unboxed them, so I'm not gonna be doing much about them, okay? So for a start, I hope my address isn't showing anywhere. So I'm gonna start off with this. It's already open. Like I told you, I'm super nosy. I got this picture. I wanna for my double boiler thingy. I just it's so cute. All right, so I got this picture. I'll be melting waxes, different stuff in here. And also, I got more soap molds. Is this? I just got another one. I got this beautiful rose one, and I got the one that I made with the oatmeal one. I just wanted an extra one because they're so pretty. And I got this honeycomb, but it's really small. I don't know if I want this or what I'll be doing with this, but I'll think about it. I have to learn how to return stuff. Hopefully, if it doesn't work the way I want it to, if it don't I'm just gonna see what it is. So I also got this little pouring thing. It has different sections that you can mix different colors. It helps you with the process if you pour your soap and stuff. I'm not too sure if I want to keep this because I thought it was big, but it's too little. So I am not sure of that. Okay, that's all. Up next is this. I don't know what's in here. I have not opened this, so I can't tell you. So I'm gonna be opening this tiny little box. I don't know what's in here. Oh God. I think I'm gonna put the camera down. Let me bring the camera down some more. Hopefully it'll work because I don't feel like it's down enough. Oh, my hair cut off. Okay, the camera looks better than it was. Okay. So I just opened this the wrong way, but we'll see. There's another picture, like a glass, bigger leg. I like it. I want to be if I'm making product, you guys should be able to see through what I'm doing. So when I seen this on Amazon, I was like, this is cute. I think I can use it. So that's that. Alright, let me put it back in little packaging. It's gonna take time. I don't want this video extra long. Alright, so up next is this box from Amazon again. Like I said, I don't know. I remember all the stuff that I bought, but I don't know which one is in here. So, oh, okay, God. So it's more picture-like. It's more like pouring cups that I got for my soap making and maybe candles making. But I didn't know it was this little, man. But anyway, I'll use this for coloring and all that good stuff. So hopefully all of them will be used. Oh, but it's really, really little. So little. But I like it because, oh, look at it, it's cute. Like, look here. Oh, I cannot return this. I don't care even if it, like, I'm gonna find something to do with this. Like, this is so cute. I like it. But what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna be mixing like my different colors in here before pouring it in the product. So in that way, I have the same thing here, so I don't want to open it, okay? Okay. Got an Amazon. What's in here? Oh, I already know what's in here. I was waiting for this. So you guys, like I've started doing the soaps on camera now. I just bought a couple of pouring cup, like with the long edges of mouth. Like, God, I'm excited for this one. I actually got like 6 because sometimes I might want to do more colors, and I'm not gonna be washing the cups over and over. Like if I want to use another color, I go ahead, wash it, do it over. Like sauce making, you have to be really, really fast. But I like this. It's not extra big. It has the different measurements on here. I love this. I actually got like 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. This is so cool. Like you can pour. I like this. This is a good bar. Okay. Let me put that aside. So for this box, I already opened it, but I didn't like take the stuff out. So yeah, I got this. Oh, I know what's here. I know exactly what's in here. Okay, so all right. So I got me my beautiful like a mold, like for my soaps, the mold. I got some cutters. The ones with the design. So this is my second one, and it also came with like some bags that I could put my soaps in. Oh my God. It came with the acrylic one, and also, yeah, so I'm happy about this. And also the thing that you use, the measurement for the soap, like I didn't know the soaps were gonna be this small, but we will see. But I love it. Like it's gonna make my process easy. So I like the big mold too because it gives you another kind of soap, like different shapes. And when I use this cutter, you know this cutter is the best. I like it because the design that it gives, like, So we're gonna put this aside and we'll get to the big box, okay? This is the big box. This one is from Bramble. Okay, God, I thought I just showed my address. The last Bramble stuff that I bought, it had something on in these bags. So I'm just making sure. That is not in there. So the first thing I see here is a stick blender. It's a stick blender. Okay, let's open this. I just want to see what's in here, okay? It's a stick blender. So I always seen people like using it, and I thought I could get mine on. Okay, it's looking like so. It's beautiful. I like it. Like anything white is my favorite, but this is how it's looking. I'm gonna be using it for my soap, blending, mixing, everything. Like, ooh, I like it. It looks so nice. and strong too. I'm just trying to get all my little equipment just so I can do the best I can. I don't want to get into the soap making without any of my utensils, okay? I really need them. Oh God. So you guys, this is inside the box looking like it is a huge box. It has a lot of different things in here, okay? So I'm gonna be taking one at a time. God, it almost spilled, man. All right, let me take that out. So I got some fragrance oil. I got the pink pony, the rose quartz, pure honey, vanilla secret. I think I bought one of these already, so. Okay, we're gonna put this aside. And I got the Stevenson's Melt and Pour Crystal Soap Base. You know, everything soap base right now is my new obsession. Okay, I like it. Berry. I got some mica for my soaps and glitters. Some mica and glitters. More mica. And also some coloring, the color blocks from Bramble. There's so many of them. I'm not gonna call their names because they're too many. Yep. I got a lot of them, okay? Different colors that I can use with different designs, okay, you guys? This soap making is my thing. I got some mica, like whole bunch of colors, cause a lot of my colors that I have is for like my lip product. I don't have nothing for soaps, for candles, so I didn't have nothing for soaps and candles. So I just went on Bramble and got anything that I saw there that I wanted, okay? So there are more, like so many mica, so many of them, like more mica, more and more and more mica. So yeah, let me put this aside. I don't want it in a viewfinder. So now we get to the soap base. For soaps, this is a Melt and Pour soap base. I got the Clear. I got the Low Sweat Clear. And also the olive oil. Oh, see. I got the Melt and Pour as well. I got the honey, aloe vera. There's so much to choose from. Like Bramble has a lot of different soap base, so you're not gonna be left out anyways. So I got the Low Sweat white, and I got the white as well. And I also got the oatmeal one and the shea butter. You already know this channel is all about the shea butter and the mango butter. Oh God! So this is the final product. I also got the goat milk and the buttermilk. Okay, so you guys, these are all of the soap base that I got and my different micas. Can I say micas? And my different mica, you guys, like they are so lovely. I got like 9 little jars of mica, and I got like 12 bars, with the exception of the Stevenson's Clear Melt and Pour one. I think this is like 2 pounds. It should be like 2 pounds, I believe. Yup. And I got some fragrance oils, more mica, and more color blacks. Okay, so that's it for this video, you guys. It was just a quick like unboxing. I don't want it to be super long. I appreciate every one of you for watching my video and all your sweet comments and all of that keeps coming in, okay? Thank you so much, and until next time, bye-bye.